Good morning, student. Today we will learn more about the Saudi Arabia. In the previous video, we have learned about its location and climate. In this video, we will learn about the vegetation, wildlife, and industry of the Saudi Arabia. The first, we will learn about the vegetation. Thorny bushes and cactus can be found in the Saudi Arabia due to the lack of water. Thorny bushes and cactus are found, and at some places the people grow date, grapes, coffees, tomatoes, and melons near the oases. Now we will learn about the wildlife. Saudi Arabia is not very rich in wildlife. Ostrich, hyenas, ibex, leopards are the main animals of this region. Camel is the most valuable animals in the desert. Next is industries. Petroleum industry is the biggest industry of the Saudi Arabia. It is one of the largest exporter of the petroleum product. Apart from this, mint, fertilizer, iron and steel industries are the main industries of this region. And Riyadh is the capital and leading industry cities of the Saudi Arabia. Let us learn more about this chapter through a video. Firstly, we will learn about the vegetation. What kind of vegetation found here?
Rubal Khali, or the abode of silence, is the largest area of sand on earth. Vegetation. The only plants which can grow here are those which can withstand the intense heat and dryness. Most of these plants have long roots which penetrate deep into the soil to absorb water. Various types of cacti grow here. Thorns of cacti are actually the modified leaves, and the green portion is the succulent stem. These adaptations of cacti prevent loss of water, help them to survive in hot and dry deserts. Desert plants have succulent stems and soft, fleshy roots to store water.
Now we will learn about its wildlife. Firstly, we will learn about camel.
The most common animal found here is the camel. It is most aptly called the ship of the desert. It can survive without food and water for many days because the fat stored in its hump gets converted to yield energy and water. Its feet are adapted to walk on sand as the soles are thick and fleshy. The camel is used to carry heavy loads through the burning hot sands by the nomadic tribes who live here.
The other animal that is found in the Saudi Arabia.
Besides this, the animal life in Saudi Arabia includes wolves, hyenas, foxes, honey badgers, mongooses, porcupines, and jerboas.
Now we will learn about the industries.
At some places, petroleum or liquid gold, as it is often called, has brought a huge change in the country's economy. With the money earned from its export, the government has taken many steps to improve the standard of living of the people, like building houses, streets, bridges.
Now we will learn about the people of the Saudi Arabia and their
Towns
life,
and
what kind
cities,
of clothes
the
they
people
wear.
of Saudi Arabia are called Saudis. They are usually of Arab or African origin. The traditional dress of the Arab men is a long-sleeved, one-piece dress that covers the whole body. This is called thawb. It is a loose gown-like garment, so it is very suitable to be worn in hot climatic regions. They also wear a cloth called kudra over their head, held in place by a string woven from camel hair. Women are required to wear an abaya or modest clothing when in public. The rural people still lead a traditional life. The village life will revolve around a marketplace, a mosque, and a coffee shop. Most villagers are herders and tend to flocks of sheep, goat, and camels. They move from one place to another in search of green pastures. They are called nomads. One such group of people are Bedouins. The Arabian Peninsula is the original home of the Bedouin tribe. They live in tents made of camel or goat hair. Most of them live by breeding camels, which give them milk and hair to make clothes, tents, and rugs. In summer season, the Bedouins camp near oases. During the winter season, they follow the routes through the desert, where there is water. They exchange goods for dates, food grains, and other things.
Let's recap this chapter.
Saudi Arabia is in Southwest Asia. A large part of the country is a barren desert. The country has a hot and dry climate. Dust storms are common. Rainfall is scarce. The camel is the most important animal here. It is called the ship of desert. The land around an oasis is used to grow crops such as wheat, barley, and date palms. The country is the largest producer and exporter of petroleum. This has made it very rich and prosperous. Bedouins are a nomadic tribes who rear camels for obtaining various products. Most of them still lead a traditional life. The country is developing fast. Many industries are located here. There are many modern cities. Riyadh, the capital, and Jeddah are examples.
Student, I hope you will understand this chapter. Thank you and have a great day.